Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. We are now going live trading binary option here at YouTube. Now, if you see this as a recording, make sure so you never lose a live stream like this one I just had. Here, okay, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and then also make sure you join the broker, so when you first join me in a live session, you also can trade together with me. You can just start with a demo account, and if you see that you can follow and you think this is something that you want to do, then you can open a live account, make a deposit, but then also make sure you use the promo code you find link below the video. Now for the ones that follow me live, welcome. I'm very soon going to get started. I'll just make sure everything is in order. I will promote this one a little bit. Just send out to a few places like Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, all these places. And then we'll get started. So give me a couple of minutes and we'll get started to trade a little. Okay. Also, I will set up my extra computer thing here. It's not a computer, actually, it's just a tablet. But just so I can see the chat also. So let me just get that out of the way. There. Let's see. So all through this live session, I will be able to see if someone write to me. So if you have any questions, just write in the chat and I will reply right away. Let's see. And there. And of course, make sure you like this live session. You help me tremendously just by doing so. Okay. Now I'm live in the chat, so now I'll follow there. Let me now just promote this a little bit. We are now live trading binary option. Okay, then let's post that in WhatsApp, 2 places in Telegram, and let's join one in Twitter also. Then I think we are golden. Okay, that's it. Then let's see if we can find some trades and get started this Tuesday morning. So for the ones that wonder, I do trade like this every single day. Okay, excluding Sundays. Excluding Sundays, so it's not every day, but excluding Sundays. Now here in YouTube, I do not trade Saturdays. I just trade Saturdays at Discord. Okay. Now let's see. We might have an area up here. We probably will be interested. Let's take $100 trade if you go up there again. Let's see. I mean, oh, not the best entry, but let's see how this plays out. Now we just need to wait ourselves for 18 seconds. And let's see how this will play out for us. The entry did not turn out to be that bad, by the way. So looks like we're getting a $101 profit from this trade. That is incredible. I have not seen so good rate on Binance Coin before. So, but let's take it. 101 plus. So now we have $101 profit. Let's see, we are ready. We will take trades on this red line. So we will just continue. I will very soon get myself some coffee, but I will wait till we have a small break. Right now we are in the zone of trading. Well, let's see, we are ready again. And I'm ready. Let's zoom in so we can, let's remove this one here, so it's easier to follow. So we are taking a trade on the line, very top of the line, 217.26. As you can see, how I have already taken one trade, one winner, and today we're getting 101%. I've never seen that on Binance coin before. It's my favorite coin to be trading, so we're actually making more than we lose. That is incredible. I have never seen that before, so that's pretty cool. Emmy, how this works? I do in this broker and all other brokers I'm trading, like Pocket Option also, my profile is hidden. You can't copy my trades automatically. The reason with that is that that will hurt my live stream like the one you're seeing just right now. So how this works is that you can see I have a line up here, for example, that says at 217.26. That means, for example, in that case, when the bar come up to that line, that is an area we are trading. Now you can see in the bottom I have a blue line. This is not anything we are trading yet. For example, I will put it down here, for example, and I will activate it with a green line if you're going to trade it. If I activate it, I will then turn it green and I will tell where we're trading, and you will have a good time to take the same trade I'm going to do, like the one you see in the top here now. If I see the bars start to be away from the red line here for like 20 minutes, I will turn the one in the top here to blue again, and I will tell you when I activate it. So every type of trade I do, you have the same capability to take like me. But automatically, no, you will not be able to take any trade automatically, okay? Yeah, but I'm not providing that. That's what I'm trying to say. If I start to provide that for people, why will people join me in these live streams? So I'm not providing that. So I'm very sorry for that. If you want to follow my trades, you need to do it manually. That's the only way we're going to do it. Now let's see. Now we are getting a little far away. That is a good time for me to go and get myself a coffee. So just bear with me while I do so. So now there will be no automatically copying from my signals, and I have been thinking about that before, if I should do it or not, and my decision there is basically no. I'm not going to allow anyone to copy me automatically. Let's see if we can find something. Ethereum, we never trade Ethereum. Let's see if we can find something else. As you're a little far away just right now. Let's check Polygon. Doge, I have a very bad win rate on Doge for some strange reason. Let's check Polygon. Like this area up here is an area that I would easily trade. So here, for example, we take let's set it there. We make this one red line. So in the top here right now, if we get a bar up there, we have a line at 0.5211.8 for the ones that can't read this number. That is an area we're going to trade. Down here, I want one test before I activate it, because we have been away for a little while. So if we can get an equal test for something that looks like these bars here, I will activate this one with a green one also. Good morning, Luke. Nice to see you. Just getting myself a coffee. As we're going to be trading here now for 1 hour, we need something to keep me awake. For everyone that know, I'm waking up early in the morning. I wake up actually 1 hour earlier than this. So 6:30 in the morning I'm waking up just to start to get things to prepare for the live stream. And then I start my live stream 7:30 in the morning. And that is because of YouTube. And like I said, that does not matter that much because we have a specific areas for trading, so you still will be able to easily take the exact same trade like me. Like for example, now you see we are going to take sell trades at this line you see up here, and you see there will be much more than 22 seconds to get up here. And sadly, this is something we have a problem with here at YouTube. That's why we are moving more over to Discord, because there we don't have any delay from the difference between my chart and your chart. But 22 seconds is pretty much. Typically people have around 5-6 seconds delay from my chart here in YouTube. But 22 seconds still, you see, we have more than enough time to take any trade I do. You will still be able to take them. Okay. Let's go back to Binance Coin. You see, now this area start to look very interesting. I will say so. Let's move the line here. Let's make that one green. So we're taking trade at 210.65. So 210.65, we're going to take trades. I'll change for 30 seconds. So if we come down here again, I will take it easily. So you can see now, you have good time to take the trade the same place I have put my line. Okay. So I will not repeat that more now in this session, just so you know. So now our trading zone is basically these two lines here. You're not supposed to take trade when you see I push up down. You're supposed to take trade when your bar come up to these two lines. You're going to set up these lines yourself in your broker. Put the lines exactly same as I have them. So when your bar come up to this line, you basically just push down for the red and up for the green. Okay. Good morning, Maverick. Nice to see you. Nice to hear. Let's see. Now we are basically in the middle, so let's check Doge if there's something there. Doge, I have so bad experience with Doge. I think if this one close up here, I will activate here. Let's wait and see. We can make a line there. I'm not trading it yet, of course. I have it blue for now. If this bar close around up here, yes, we will activate one at 0.06. Like now, for example, I don't like, if we close below this one here, I'm not activating it. Let's wait and see. Do you know what? I think we can activate it there. So the line is at 0.060340, if you don't see the number. Okay. And let's see, I'm ready to go in. If we get down there again, like I said, my win rate on Doge is terrible. I don't even know why I tried it. I think I lost more money on Doge than I have won. Doge is terrible to trade for me. It's the only one I have a bad win rate for. For the ones that have been here for a little while, they know we have a win rate around 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades. But on Doge, I don't think I have that good win rate, to be quite frankly. I have not calculated Doge in our own criteria, but I do not think we have done good on it, because my memories from Doge is not good. Now let's see here, like you see, that's what we make blue lines. You see that this area was not an area that he still want to be trading, and now we start to get long time away from this up here. So probably we'll turn this one into a blue line also. Let's go back to Binance Coin. Okay, now we are up there. Let's follow. We will take a trade on this line in top. Easy. Yeah, 101, it's incredible, especially when I talk about Binance Coin. I would even trade Binance Coin on 70% because we are doing so good here. So that is amazing. The payout is high only because many people, other people that are trading this coin right now are losing. Because like I said before, most people are trading with indicators like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, whatever they are using, and indicators in the end are not that good. Never trade with an indicator. So and by the way, I got a question about it yesterday. I've been thinking a little about it. If anyone start to feel they have a very good control about my way of trading, I am planning after my Norwegian trip, because I'm going to Norway now very soon. I will apply 1 or 2 people that can be trading live, because I was thinking I want more live sessions, okay? But I want the persons that are trading to be trading more or less the way I trade, okay? And this will be at YouTube and in Discord, okay? I will give specific server setups for you all that you will need to, of course, have OBS Studio for the part on YouTube. And in Discord, basically, I will give a specific thing there also. So what I will do, I will give a small funded account. This account, the winnings is for you, of course, but it's only going to be used for when you trade live for people. Also, I will give a small salary for the amount of live sessions you're doing. So I think I will have 1 or 2 people, so people that are interested to be working with this, let me know. This will be maybe in 1 month or so. I will start to set up something like that. So anyone that have interest, let me know. Now we are going to take trades. We are getting very close to our green line down there. So let me just give a link to Discord for anyone that have interest in the field, and maybe I lose a trade not just by doing this, but I will do it by the way. Let me just post my Discord link here. Contact me in Discord. I will make our own group for it, by the way. There. So anyone that have interest about trading live and get account and get a small payment for it, they contact me there and we can see if you will be working for me or not. Now let's see, we have a new trade in. I just need to wait 16 seconds. And that is a very good trade. There, another $101. So our profit is now at $202. Yeah, the reason for that is like, Luca Maverick, I know you two have been trading a lot, so both you are good candidates for this. And there, and nice you did got it. Yeah. So, like I said, um, make sure you contact me there. Because I think it would be cool that we have a little more live streams, get things going. Because it does not necessarily need to be me that do the live sessions. If when people start to have the same trading style like me, just so we can have more, we can teach more people, we can be doing it live. I think it will be cool. So that's something I want, just so we can grow the public that are trading together with us a little faster. I think that will be cool. Because like I said before, I see too many YouTubers and things like this. They are doing trading, and they just post videos, but they're not trading live. I have always said it's a big difference between trading live or just make a video. When you trade live, you really can show people that it actually is possible, and that's why you can see so many people are trading and make post up videos, because they can edit the videos and it looks like they're making money. But the difference here is that we are making money and we do it live, so anyone can follow the trades, and they don't dare to do that because basically the strategy they're using is not working. They have maybe a 50% win rate, and of course they can't trade live like we do. So that's why I want us to grow on this, use my strategy, trade live, and take it to get even more people to, because I want people to make money with binary option, not to be using indicators and be losing money. So we are still trading on the line down there. So in 210.65, that's the zone. Do you know what? Let's move the line a little farther down. We move it down to 210.29. Yeah, let's do that. Because we had a little big area to as well, closing on 30 seconds today. Let's put that 210.29. Okay, let's do that. So now we just need to wait to see if we get down there again. Yeah, and Discord we trade every Saturday for the time being. The reason we don't trade every single day just there right now is because we don't have a source of people coming in. YouTube do give some type of so new people can come into the live stream all the time, but on Discord we don't have that option. Yes, people can invite, but like last Saturday, me and Maverick was basically trading by ourselves. And that's completely fine also, nothing wrong with that, but it's more fun when you have more people. And the live session before in Discord, we had like 7 people live at any time, so it's much up and down in Discord. But later on, my plan, I guess in the end of the year, I think we will move everything over there, because I'm even paying boost there. So the quality of the video is much better. It's a 0 to maybe 1 second delay in Discord, and the sound quality is better also. So it's another level we have there. Plus, I see who is live. It's easier to be chatting. People can even talk if they want in the live stream. Plus, after the live stream, people can talk together, they can trade together also. So I really want to build a big community over there, so we people out when I am done with my live stream, people can help each other to be trading also. That's something I want. Okay. Oh yeah, no worries. Me and Actually, that maybe was good you did not come to the live stream we had Saturday. I have prouded myself that we had 11 losing trades only over trading every single day for 1.5 years. We actually had a losing session in last Saturday. So we lost money in this live session actually. And that is not normal for me to lose money in a live session, but yes, we did. Thankfully, I think Maverick just did take this one trade we did win in the start. But yes, was not a big loss. Not, I think it was like $300. Me trading $100 each trade, or no, actually, with the trade 200, I did go to 200. I think the loss was around 300, so it's not a big loss, but still was a loss. I think we ended up with 40% win rate or something terrible like that. Don't remember exactly. Now we are ready still on this line down here. So 210.29 we have the line. So if you get down there again, we take it. That's good look. And this strategy I've been using for a very long time now, and it's so simple, but it's still the best, I would say. Also, I will show you something here. If you want to do things a little different, you can even do trend trades. See here. I don't typically do that because it's not necessary, but I will just show her now. Now, if the line, and we could have taken this one to a red line here, if the bar come up to this red line here, but now you need to be careful because you're coming into a squeeze, okay? That's much the reason I put up this line here now, that we need to be careful down here also, because you're now getting a very small area to be moving. I think we can take this trade if you come down here now. But over here, I will not trade on this line because he will either break down or break up, okay? So, but I will take, if this bar come down, there, I take it, and we are in. Let's see, let's go, we are in. But we are coming into a squeeze very soon now, so be very careful. He might break down or break up very soon because we're coming into a squeeze. Squeeze means that we get pressure from the red trend line that is breaking us downwards, and we are getting pressure up from this support line down here. So we, yes, we won $101. Do not take more trades. Now let's wait. I will make this one to a blue line. Now we are waiting, and let's make this one blue also, so no confusion. Don't take more trades. Wait, wait, wait. The reason for that is we are getting a squeeze here now. Now he will either break up or he will break down, okay? Yeah, Sundays is a reason I don't trade. First of all, I need 1 day break in the week, and Sundays is the most difficult day to trade. So I don't trade Sundays. Now, let's see here now. Now you need to wait, because now he will need to choose, do he want to continue following the trend downwards, or will he break up because you have a strong support down here, because you see the support here. So now let's wait and see. This does not matter, this is just a fake out. We look at the closed bar, okay? So now we just need to wait. So this is something you need to add into your inventory of trading also, that when you, if you manage to put a line like this, be very careful, because now he will, maybe he will break down here now. Let's wait and see. So this, when you start to implement this type of things, your win rate will even go a few percent higher. Now my bar did stop, says poor connection in the left corner here. Let's wait and see. Okay, looks like we lost 1 bar. Let's do a reload so we get the bar, so you can see how this looks like. I'll do a reload here now to see. Okay, so looks like we did break to the upside. Let's wait to see how this bar looks like, by the way. Depending on this bar, we will remove this and actuate in the bottom again. Let's see, as long as this bar don't go in again, we will remove this and actuate down here. Let's wait and see. I don't want him to break directly into here again. I want him to close in top of this blue line for us to actuate down here. Otherwise, I don't consider we did break it. Okay. The way it looks like now, we are not trading. Just keep your fingers away from any button to trade. Okay. We are not trading. We are inside again. I will wait, because now maybe he will continue respecting this, so we still can break down. Like I said, we needed to have one more closing on top. Otherwise, I don't consider trading here now. So like I said, this is things you need to implement into your trading, because this can really make your win rate go up. So let's see now. We are still waiting. Yes, if you did take a trade in the bottom here, you would have won. But I'm very careful when I'm trading. You see, in some way he's still respecting this one, you see? That's why I'm waiting. He can still break down here now, you see. Let's remove this, we can see things better. See, he's still respecting. So now we have a very small area here, and we might break down. That's what I'm trying to say. This might be a bar just to trick traders, you know. So let's wait. And you see he's making a lower area, so my decision not to trade, you see, is correct. Yeah. There you see. We got a breakdown from this area. So he's still respecting this area, do you see? And judging from what the bar here now, probably would have lost at least on 30 seconds. On 1 minute, you still might would have won with this trade down here. But yes, let's just wait till we're done with this squeeze here completely, till we start trading again. But also when I see wicks that go down lower than the ones you have before, I also don't like, so I also like to stay away. So, and let's just, if the chart starts to look strange for you, that when you zoom out you get something like this, just right click and push reset chart view. Then it will look nice again, okay? So make sure you do that. While we're waiting for this to be tradable again, let's check some of the other coins. Down here, I'm very scared to trade Doge, but yes, if we get down here, let's put this as a trading zone. Let's go for it. In the top here, of course, it's no green up here, so let's remove it. We are just trading down here for now, but it's a little far away, so let's check a polygon. Can't say I see some like this one up here now. We are too long time away from that line, so let's make that one blue. We are not trading up there. Now I might be interested here. Let's see, depending on where this bar chooses to be closing. If we close above this area where I have the mouse now, I will activate this one to be a I need him to close above this area before I activate it. It's just to make sure that the area we have down there is going to be respected. So we are still not trading down there, because for now looks like he's going to break down. So we are waiting. You need to close above this area. If we do, we activate with a green line down there. That's what you see. For now looks nice. Looks like we might be able to turn, yes, we turn this one green now. So now we are trading on this green line. We have it at 0.5174.2. In the top we don't have anything just yet. We are waiting to see if this is still a thing. Because you see here it was nice, here was nice. Here we were a little below, so let's wait and see. If we get one more bar coming up around this area also, that might be interesting. Because as you're trading on the 1 minute, as resistance we have here does not mean that resistance need to be exactly the same place. So maybe it's around here now, but we need at least one more bar showing something like these two bars here before I start to even think about activating anything up here. A little slow today. We have not so slow actually. We have three trades, not that bad actually. 3 trades and we have a $303 profit. Now we will take a buy trade down here, so let's see. Let's go. We change for 30 seconds. Today I take 30 seconds. Here is something I will tell you. If we see, depending on where I choose to take my entry, if I see, for example, many bars close in the middle, but we do have some wicks that is higher, and I choose to have a level like here, then typically I like to change for 1 minute, just to make sure that my closing bar is below. But if I choose, for example, the trade in the top, where I am in the top of the wick, then I like to trade on the 30 second. So in this case, for example, when the wick is very small, we have a very small area from the entry to the bar close, then I choose 30 seconds. So that's the difference between why I use 30 seconds sometimes and 1 minute sometimes. But I will always tell what I'm doing myself, so you can do the same, okay? And if you're just following now, it's much more fun if you just open a demo account, and yes, you should only use demo account in the start. Do not go in with real money before you see you can follow my trades. You find link here now in the chat, it's pinned. When you open with the link, you automatically get a demo account. Like you can see for me, I don't get automatically, I just have 1 reel. You can actually have up to 5 reel. So if you choose to follow me and maybe, for example, a few other, you can open up to 5 accounts. It's a good way for you. So for example, let's say now you follow me on the live session, then you can have 1 reel, then you can have another reel where you're trading yourself, then you can compare your own tradings with my tradings, and you can see, wow, I do better myself. Then trade by yourself, right? So that's a good way for you to measure your trading compared with the trading you do with me and trading you maybe do by yourself. But I have just one, because the only trades I do is the ones I do here live. And also, if you want to be trading on demo account, if you have not taken advantage of my links, so you have don't have automatically, you can just push here and you can get demo account. You see, currently I don't have a demo account on this account. Okay, so that's a little about accounts, because it's actually very cool that you can have 2 different accounts. So you can have your own, when you trade you manually outside, you can see if you maybe do better when you trade alone. Okay. No, I don't use rollover and these type of things. The reason for that is that the trades you're doing by itself have a so high win rate. So I have never used any functions. I have basically zero interest about functions. And here you see, by the way, why we're using a blue line. I mean, not trading directly on the line, because even though this was a resistance that was very strong before, when you've been away so long time, we don't know if this is going to be something today. So you can see we have been away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, more than 20 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. I'm not going to calculate exactly, because this was 7:30, more than 30 minutes actually, more like 35 minutes. This, as we're trading on the 1 minute, a resistance for more than 30 minutes ago does not mean it's a resistance here. That's why we make it blue, just to see if it's still a thing, and if it's not, then we don't trade it. So we just at least need one test that look basically exactly like this, then I will trade it. But for now, we see that this is nothing, and maybe this resistance are here might be up here now, because one thing I can tell you, if you trade on 1 hour or 4 hours, the support resistance that typically are the same place, but maybe the 1 hour resistance is all this area here, you see, because probably all this area here might be 1 hour, a thick line that cross all this area here, if you're trading Forex, for example. So just be aware of that 1 minute support resistance, they move, okay? Solon, I will open that one, take a look. Solon, but pay on, as we're so earning so good today. Solon, if it was Binance Coin, yes, I'll be trading it, but we are making just 73%. But yes, here, just to mark it so you can see, I would have traded up here. And now, depending on this bar here now, we will be trading here. But this bar here now need to close above this bar we see here. If we do, I would have activated down here. So this can be something, if you all want to be trading on a 73%, you can do so. In that case, I would say we could take one more line here. Of course, and it's not activated yet. Let's put this one blue. Let's wait and see. Depending on this bar here, he need to close above this one here, like I said. If not, there you see, we can trade on here. So currently we just have the up here, this one is activated. Here we needed him to close above this one for activate. So, but I am not going to trade 72% as we have so many good options here. Okay. Let's go back here and see. Now we can remove some of these lines we have. Now we're done with these trends. Now when talking about trends, we can see we have a trend upwards. If you see that, we do have a nice trend going upwards here. And do you know what? You can trade trends, okay? Like I said, I don't do it so much on this broker, but it is actually possible. So in that case, if you want to do that, you can. Here, every time you come down to this green trend, we can do one. Let's do one. Let's take 1 minute on the trend. On trend, I did 1 minute. If you come down to this green line, I will take up. Let's see how that goes. Just for fun, okay? This is just a fun trade. Let's see. If we get down to the green line, I will push up. Let's see. Lorenzi, welcome to the live stream. I think it's the first time I see you here. No, I don't think I've seen your nickname here. At least it's the first time you have written in the chat. So welcome to our trading. And do you have a demo account? Do you have a real account? Or are you just sitting looking for now? Now let's see. We will take a trade on the trend. I was too slow there. Let's see. Like I said, I don't typically trade on the trend lines. It's just to show you that that is possible also. Okay, I'm in there now. Let's see how that goes. I'm not going to be trading more on this trend line, so we can just remove it. Let's follow this trade we just did take. So this is trade number 4 of the day. I did take it on a 1 minute close, just because I tried the trend line. So now let's wait 40 seconds, see how this plays out. I don't see any support resistance we can trade right now, so I don't have any lines for that. So let's just see how this plays out. Our win rate is 100% till now today. So this might be the first loss of the day for us, and looks like it will be. Just because I needed to take a trend line trade, yeah, right? Okay, I take it. It's okay. But yes, we are getting a losing trade here now. Stay away from trend line trades. Okay. If I had taken a 30-second trade, I think I would have won it. I would have won it with a 30. I think we were in the money on the 30-second timer. So, by the way, we got a losing. It's okay. We still have $203 profit. And also after, every time after my live stream, I collect this cashback, because every time I do a $100 trade, I earn $40 up here. So we have also $16 I can get up here. Some small extra money we can get in after. This I typically do in my recap video I make after my live sessions. I make a recap video where I basically take this money up here. No, sadly I don't see. We see that this down here, down here, down here, but might be down here. Let's follow this might. We see from this bar and this bar. We might activate here. If we close above and we get one more down, we might activate. Now I don't like he's going more down, so now this is not so interested more. And he's breaking super hard down here now. So now this is not an interesting area more either. And we are only trading when I turn something green. This is, I only put blue when I'm following something, okay? So don't be trading on the blue line. Let's see down here if that can be an area. We do have 3, but I don't consider it. I need to have one more test on here before I even consider it. So let's wait and see. Let's remove this so we can see things better. But yes, the support have been here, have been here, have been here. So might be here now. They always move a little because you're trading on the 1 minute. Okay. So, but for now, this looks nice. If you close about here, I think I even can activate it right away. But let's see. Need to close above here, okay? Still looks nice. I don't like when it closes all the way down here. That is too low for me. Then we need a close higher for me to activate it. Okay, so you can see I'm very careful before I activate a line, just to make sure that you're not breaking downwards. Okay, so let's just keep our fingers away from. It's many times if I have my bar here, I do a mistake trade. So that's why I always make sure this mouse is away. If you're trading on a cell phone or tablet, it's much easier because then you just can push with a finger, right? But when you have a mouse, I have many times done mistake trades. But yes, if we close wherever he is out now, I will activate it on here. So looks like we'll do. Now I'll do. I activate it now. So now basically we will be trading down here. This is our new trading area. I'll do it on the 30-second. Yeah, just make sure you, Lawrence, make sure you just come into my live sessions. We are trading every single day, same time. So tomorrow we'll be trading at the same time, and then the next day. The only day we are not trading live is Sundays. I'm not trading at all in Sundays. So just make sure you join this live sessions, and you will get the hang of it after very fast time, because it's a so simple way we are trading. Okay, so it does not take you a long time to learn this strategy we are using. Okay, and you can actually use this strategy on any broker. Any broker, does not need to be this broker. But if you want to trade live together with me, of course you need to use the same. And in Saturdays we use another broker. So, but like I said, you can use this strategy on any broker. There are that is no different. Okay. So if you just want to follow, learn the strategy, you can then use it on any other broker also if you want to. Completely up to you. Now let's see. Like I said, a little few trades today. We have done just 1, 2, 3, 4 trades today. So a little slow day. You can see now, I do 1 hour trading, okay? We have now been trading 51 minutes. I'm just going to trade more 7-8 minutes today. So just remove 51 minutes from your time, and then you'll see. So that means for you, 11:30 is the time PM for you. That's the time we are trading live tomorrow also. Sometimes I start a little before, so like you should be here about 11:20-ish, yeah, 11:20-ish PM your time. That's the time that we will start trading tomorrow. Okay. So it's basically that my time zone is GMT -3. Okay. So 07:30 GMT -3. That's the time I'm trading. But yes, for your time zone, Lawrence, it's 11:20. That's the time you should be ready. Because sometimes I go in a little earlier. So, but supposedly time I'm starting is 11:30. Your time zone. So we are almost done with this live session. We have not taken so many trades today, but still we are turning profit, and that's the most important. Yes, so then I hope I see you tomorrow, same time. Yeah, you two are in the same then. Your time zones will the time zone I will be trading, I think, let me think now. No, I will be in front of you actually. I will go into the same timeline like in Paris in when I will be in Europa. I will be trading from there 14 days. Okay. So I'll be trading on a laptop while I'm in Europa. I'm now located in Brazil, by the way. So the quality will not be the same like now. Will be a little less quality, the sound and everything, but I'll do my best. But at least the internet connection I will have this time around will be good. For the ones that did follow me just a couple of weeks back, I was in another holiday at the beach, and there I had a crappy internet connection, so it's not that good. But even though I'm in holidays, I try to keep my live streams going. Okay. We have just like 5 minutes left. Little slow, not that many trades. Let's see if we can find something on the other ones. Do you know what? I think we can. Let's see. I don't like it that much, but around there. Let's do it. I have one line at 0.061157. I will take a trade there, even though I don't like it. I should not do it. I'm very bad at track record on Dodge. But let's do it. I will, just because you're at the end and I don't see any way we get more trades on Binance Coin, I will take a trade up there. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Oh, he's moving fast. Come on. And, I mean, like I said, my track record here is terrible, but let's see. Oh, it's wait 20 seconds. If we win this trade, it will not be so bad today. Let's see. Like I said, my track record on Dodge is terrible. I don't even know why I'm trading it. And looks like I'm going to keep my bad track record. 3, 2, and that's why I don't trade Dodge. That's why I don't trade Dodge. Do you see? Every single time I trade Dodge, I lose. I don't know why. Now my profit to date, it's going away. I just have $103 profit. If I trade 1 minute, I would have won, by the way, looks like. Why I did that? Why I trade Dodge? Why I even think about it? I don't win on Dodge. I don't understand why. I never do. Binance Coin I'm doing good, but this Dodge, terrible. Just terrible. I think it's this Elon Musk is playing with me. No, that was not nice. I didn't like that. Yeah. Would I trade here now? I think I'm pushing it to take a trade here now. I will not trade here normally. I will not do that. I need one more test here before I take this one. Let's see now how this bar go. If this one close now, not more, I don't, no. Then I don't trade on this one either. You see, that's why. This one needed to be more like this too for me to trade on this one. And yes, it's of course it's a manipulation. We are in OTC pairs. Basically, for the ones that know OTC, it's we need to trade different. So maybe it's that not that many are trading Dodge, because basically it works like this. If I push up with $100 and let's say 2 other people push down and they spend 200, I would win. The reason we are winning because we trade different from other people. That is on OTC pairs. If you choose any other, like here for example on Forex, you can see you get OTC, you get 98%, but you can see that you get the same pair here with 63%. Okay, that means this one don't have manipulation. Okay, but this one in the OTC have manipulation. But like I said, the only reason we are winning, we are trading pairs like many people are trading Binance Coin. The only reason we are winning is because we are trading different. Most people that are trading with indicators, so they will have different type of trades than we have. That's why we are trading. But like I said before, if I start to get 100, 200 people on my live stream, then I will stop trading on the OTC, because then we are too many and maybe we are the ones that are pushing the market and we will start with losing trades. Okay, so then when I start being more popular in YouTube or in Discord, then we will remove ourselves from OTC pairs. Then we will be forced to start to trade the other pairs. So then, for example, if I look right here this list, then I would have chosen, for example, pairs like Australian dollar against dollar, because this is not manipulated. This is just following how it actually is moving. That's why you can see if you go here now, see Australian dollar against Canadian on the real, and you can see Australian dollar against Canadian on the OTC, you will see it's a little different between the price values. It's because this one, he will try, the OTC will try to follow the price, not too far away from the original price, but it's more like a casino. The casino always win, okay? So the broker always win over the overall of all the traders are trading on the OTC. So maybe that's why when I trade on Doge, maybe I am the one that always have the higher bid. That's why I am always losing. But on Binance Coin, I have done very good, even when I have up to 12 people follow me, because sadly I am a small YouTuber and YouTube hate me because I have almost 6,000 followers, but even then I just get like up to 12 people in my live sessions. So that's why when we start to get more people in my live sessions, we will move away from OTC, because then we can't trade it, okay? And that is something I always follow. If I start to see we are winning, we keep the OTC. But if we start to be losing, then we move away from OTC and we go over to the normal pairs where we don't have manipulations, okay? So then I think I have explained it quite okay, the difference between OTC and not OTC, okay? I trade basically not 7 days, I trade 6 days, okay? So Monday to Saturday, every single day I'm trading live. And I will always be choosing the correct for us from OTC or normal. This always will be depending on how I see we are winning. If I see we are starting to lose, that means we have the higher bid, and then I'll go away from OTC. So I will always choose what is best for us. The reason we trade on OTC is because it's working for us, because we don't dominate the market yet, and that's why we can trade with a higher payout. But if we start to dominate the market, then we will move away from it and go to normal pairs without OTC. That makes sense? By the way, we have now been trading for 1 hour 2 minutes. I typically just do 1 hour trading, so we are now done for today. I will be back again tomorrow same time. By then, make sure you sign up to this broker. You find the link in the chat, or if you see this as a recording, you find the link below the video, okay? Also, I will, right after this session, I will put up the live session for tomorrow. So you can then just go back to my channel in about 10 minutes, and you will see a new live session, and you can put a notification. Then YouTube will send you a notification so you make sure that you get into my live session tomorrow, okay? So with that, thank you all for keeping me company in the chat. It makes this live session go much faster for me, because when I sit here trading just by myself and I try to be talking all the time, it's boring for me. But when I can reply to some questions and things, makes everything much better for me. So thank you, Amy, thank you, Maverick, thank you, Luke, thank you, let me see, Lawrence, I think I got everyone in the chat today. Thank you all very much for keeping me company. It makes my day, okay? So see you all tomorrow and have an amazing day.